Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to our Sun, but perhaps surprisingly, it does not have the highest temperatures. That designation goes to cloudy Venus. From the surface of Mercury, the Sun would appear more than 3 times as large as it does when viewed from Earth, and the sunlight would be as much as 7 times brighter. Mercury is only slightly larger than our Moon at 15,339 kilometers around its equator. Mercury is about 2.6 times smaller than the Earth. Mercury is the second densest planet of the solar system, but also the smallest planet. Mercury is a world of extremes with the fastest and shortest orbit around the Sun. Because of Mercury's elliptical egg-shaped orbit and sluggish rotation, the Sun appears to rise briefly, set and rise again from some parts of the planet's surface. The same thing happens in reverse at sunset. Temperatures in the Sun are around 430 degrees Celsius. The planet's slow rotation makes for stark differences in temperature between its dark and light sides. The side facing away cools at an approximate minus 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury speeds around the Sun at nearly 47 kilometers per second, almost 60% faster than Earth's orbiting speed. A year on Mercury is 88 days. Mercury spins slowly on its axis and completes one rotation every 59 Earth days. Mercury was named after the Roman messenger god because of its fast movements around the Sun. Mercury was similar to Hermes, wearing winged shoes and a winged hat, and carrying a staff with 2 entwined snakes. NASA has sent 2 satellites to study Mercury, Mariner 10 in the 1970s and Messenger in the 2000s. In 2018, the European Space Agency and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency launched the Bepi-Colombo mission, which will reach Mercury in 2024. The spacecraft will take 7 years to position itself to enter Mercury's orbit. During this time, it will use solar electric propulsion and 9 gravity assists, flying past the Earth and the Moon in April 2020, Venus in 2020 and 2021, and 6 Mercury flybys between 2021 and 2025. One of the popular theories about Mercury's origin that it was once a much larger planet. Despite its proximity to the Sun, the surface of Mercury was, surprisingly, found to be rich in volatile elements, such as sodium and sulfur. Early in its life, at least one collision stripped the planet of its outer layers. What was left over reformed into a dense planet with a massive core and ultra-thin crust. Some scientists believe that Mercury may have been formed near Mars and was knocked into its present orbit near the Sun.